Hello all, hope you all doing good. We have best actors, versatile actors, legendary actors. But now we look into most loved actors with zero haters. So let's start. Rakshit Shetty is a multi-talented actor in Kannada industry. He is one of the most loved actor from South India with zero haters. Gopi Chand started his film career as villain and then became a hero. He is the most egoless and hardworking actor. He is one of the rare actors who is loved by all the fans with no haters. Sushant Singh Rajput is one of the talented and most hardworking actor in Hindi cinema. He became successful with no background. Unfortunately, he committed suicide at the age of 34 years due to unknown reasons. He is one of the most loved actor with zero haters. Uday Kiran, one of the talented actor who became successful in just early of his career with no background. He is one of the most egoless actor in Tollywood. Unfortunately, he committed suicide at the age of 33 years. He is one of the most loved actor with zero haters. Raghav Lawrence is an actor, dancer, director, producer, a highly multi-talented. He is loved by everyone in South India because of his off-screen kind nature. He did many social services and still continuing. Also, he donated 3 crores for COVID. He is one of the most egoless person. Nawazuddin Siddiqui is one of the brilliant actor who became successful with his own talent. He is also one of the most loved actor in Indian cinema with no haters. Manoj Bajpayee is one of the finest actor in our Indian cinema. He can pull off any role easily. A brilliant performer. One of the most loved actor in Indian cinema with less haters. Irfan Khan is one of the gifted actor to our Indian cinema. Unfortunately, we lost him recently. It's a great loss to our Indian cinema. He is one of the most loved actor with zero haters. Sonu Sood is one of the versatile actor in Indian cinema who can do any kind of role. During COVID, his helping nature made him a real hero. Karthi is one of the finest actor in South India. He is one of the actor who is loved by all the fans and most egoless actor in the industry. So that's all. Please subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.